What's going on, everybody? I'm Jeff Robe, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Today, I got a kind of first time video on the Jeff Robe channel. We're gonna be checking out some soccer jerseys and tops and bottoms. Mine jersey, hooked it up, been talking with Eva over there. I do have a coupon code for their website. That way, if you like what you see in today's video, you can go over to their website once you're about to check out, toss in that coupon code Jeff, and you're gonna be saving yourself a little bit extra money. Before you do that, of course, we're gonna check out the quality. We're gonna see just how good they are. If you're not a part of the Discord yet, go ahead, make sure you drop down in the description, join the Discord. That way you can message me. There's tons of people in the Discord now. I think we're over 1,500 people, which is absolutely amazing. So thank you to every single one of you guys. But lots of people are also helping out and showing people how to, navigate DHgate as well, which is awesome. So I appreciate that. But once you get the hang of it, it's actually pretty simple. Kind of learning how to use the search engine, and of course I can always get you direct links as well. The best thing you can do, toss a photo in the chat and discussion side on the Discord and at me, and then once I see it, I will pop over to DHgate, find it if it's there. If not, I usually will recommend you a seller that has it. But yeah, all that out of the way, kind of got a couple of quick things I want to show before I show those jerseys. If you saw the video on YouTube, I got the 6 speaker from TNG Digital. It just is kind of like your just classic area speaker, but look at the LED lights on this bad boy. Is that not sick? So super cool there. Power it off. I think it connected to my phone, so hopefully that didn't mess up anything. But super cheap and affordable. This does TG384 mini wireless sound, perfectly portable. This thing does have some weight to it, so there is actually like pretty decent speakers, and whenever I was testing it out, it was pretty loud. And then it did come with an aux adapter, and then it charges by USB-C, so you probably already have a charger for it, so it can slide right into your other just daily electronics. Has this little rubber flap down here that has the charging port and the aux port and all that good stuff, and it does have that rubber silicone protector. That way, if like some water splashes or something, it's not going to be too hard on it. But super cool. Make sure you're checking them out. I have all the information on that short. I think it's also on my TikTok, but I kind of just use TikTok for the automatic video edit thing that it has. I don't really think Instagram has that built in just yet, which I wish they did. But usually I'll make the video on TikTok and then upload it over to YouTube like a lot of people do. So, yeah. One other thing, if I can grab it. One other thing. Got this Jordan 11 here. This one's going to be from S&Kick. As you can see, the box kind of got a little dinged and mangled. This is going to be a women's Air Jordan Retro Low in white, purple, violet. And this one is a Euro 40 size 8.5. And it's got that nice Easter purple, kind of that pastel purple going on, almost like a faint blue gray, but in the light it is definitely purple. Really like the clear bottom. Oh, and then it's got the cobble fiber and then purple on the bottom as well. They went with the clear midsole here. I think it looks good, or midsole, the clear bottom. I think it looks good. Kind of a darker, you can barely see the Jordan logo through here. But overall, fantastic shoe, great quality. Can't really see anything wrong with this. Looks like something that you would pick up right up out of the store. Looks great. Perfect stitching all the way around. The patent leather can be tough, but they got it down pretty good. Kind of got this new age toe on here. Has that cut that comes all the way to the top. Or yeah, I guess they're all like that. Maybe it's just a smaller size, so it looks a little bit more exaggerated, and I'm not used to seeing it. Very cool. S&Kick, if you watch my videos, you know that name. I'm sure lots of you have got product from them. The case of the missing scissors has been solved. And if you know who the culprit was, obviously it was my dog. I think I had him I forget what I had them. I think I was opening something like heavy on the ground. So like I cut the box and then put the scissors, and I didn't need them. So my mind kind of shut off, and then I think little Sneaky got them. And then I found them laying in the ground outside, half chewed up. But we have them. So let's get to this package. This is how it came. I do have, I believe, possibly 2 tops and bottoms and another top in here, but we're just gonna find out. I'm curious to see how good the quality is. I played baseball for a long time, so I really don't have a lot of soccer knit stuff, but I am a fan of kind of like that tight fitting lower sweat pant, and then most of them have zippers at the bottom too, so you can like zip it open or closed however you want to rock it that day, or unzip it and fold it up. Trying to be super careful because I don't want to cut the actual product. Like I said, this is from Mine Jersey. All their information will be down in the description and over on the Discord. All right. Ow. Man, I'm going to have to get some new one of these. I don't know if you can see, but she chewed the crap out of those. Put them right there. Oh, it's like breaking off in my thumb. That's great. All right. I also, I don't have like a soccer team that I root for. So I kind of just went off of aesthetic. So like if I pick some like super like lame teams, and let me know down in the comments. I tried not to, because I've had a couple people like ask for this stuff, so I tried to get like the teams that they asked for, but I don't know how good of a job I did, so you're just gonna have to let me know. All right. So they're gonna send you a receipt as well. It shows you your package contents and all that stuff. Retro 96-97 Real Madrid home soccer jersey, Nike Barcelona zipper sweatshirt in cream, and Adidas Real Madrid zipper sweatshirt knit top and bottom. I got everything in an XL. I'm about 6'1", 200 pounds. So, you know, I'm not big, but I'm not small either. But typically when I order, I always just get top and bottoms in XL, and they usually fit. If you're questioning about your sizing, go to Men's Warehouse, toss them a $10 bill, get your sizes, and then you can have that on hand to send to the sellers. I say that in a lot of my videos. I know that's repetitive, but just to let people know. You get this little purchase card. It also comes with some coupon codes down here at the bottom, and then Mine Jersey's affordable soccer jerseys. Right there it is. Like I said, I do have coupon code Jeff. Make sure you use that at checkout. Save yourself some gooey. Let's get this Jordan out of here. And let's start busting into these. If I have time, I will throw these on and do kind of like, I'll put it like right here or something. That way we can see how these are fitting. This one off the rip looks super sick. This one is a Real Madrid. They're kind of see-through. Kind of really super lightweight material. Obviously it's silk. Oh, there's like patterns and stuff in between. Here, let's see if I can get it real close so you can see. Like on the jersey running vertical, there's like indented. I don't know if it's picking it up or not. I can't tell. Man, it looks sick. This one comes with a collar. It does say Real Madrid on the back. Man, this is really nice. I'm actually pretty impressed by this. Has this logo right here. I'm not quite sure what that is. That might be like the soccer, the league they play in maybe. LFP on the right and nothing on the left. And then along the collar, you're going to get these little paw prints. So that is super, super sick. Wow. Very cool. So wear them out, wear them to the gym. And kind of do a lot of things in these. So that one's the white one, Real Madrid. Let's check out these other ones. And these do have some weight to them. Like these are not cheaply made. Oh wow, this is beautiful. So I like wearing a lot of black stuff, but like as far as like home decor and like color combination stuff, I really love green and brown. I don't just know if that's like just from being around military people and like having family in the military, but I've just always really liked green and brown. And then I saw this and I was like, ooh, I want to have that. Check out this sleeve too. The sleeve's like two-tone. Oh, this is sick, dude. And this feels really good. This feels like high quality Nike garms right here. This one has the tags dry fit AOV, NOV maybe? No, I think that's an A. Move to 0. This is a men's XL. It just says FCB right there on the left. But quarter zip XL dry fit Nike in beige and green. Man, this is sick. This is super sick. Let's see what the pants are looking like. That's one thing I like. You can never have too many sweatpants, especially just like, if you're like me, I got these spider legs, so I can like have a nice pair of sweats for like 3 months, but the second I wash or dry them more than like 3 or 4 times, they just shrink on me and I hate that. Oh man, these are sick too. So I got these forest green, army green Nike sweatpants, same FCB patch on the right leg right there. And then if you can see, this has a change in fabric and style along the leg. It kind of has this stretchier, more textured pattern down at the bottom. I don't really know if I'm showing it good there. Can you see where it changes? Yeah, there's the seam. So like over here, it's like the slick material. And then once you get down to the knee, it kind of has that more textured, probably for like preventing rips and whatnot. Very nice Nike sweats. These do look like they're going to be long enough for me, which is great. Like I said, I got an XL. So if you are on the taller side, but they were really great about sizing. They just pretty much asked me and I told them and they worked out, you know. So let's check out this last one. This is Real Madrid zipper sweatshirt kit black. And this one is going to be Adidas. It does have all the tags and stuff. I just caught my sleeve on my table. This one does have the tag like you would normally see. And this one is kind of just more black and gold. Super, super sick here. So let's see here. Kind of a Vanderbilt colorway. It's got like this dark gray center with the black sleeves. And then a jerseys mail lot. XL Adidas JSY. This one is also a quarter zip, as you can see. And it even has a little protector here. So you gotta, once you unzip it, so that's kind of neat. This one also feels really, really good. When I played in college, I got to have both Adidas and Nike. And I mean, to be honest, I was never like a bigger fan of one or the other. Like once you have kind of that like higher end gear that they make, like, I mean, it's all really, really good. I think I like the Adidas dry fit stuff and lightweight gear better than the Nike, but in terms of like the way that the pants and the cleats and stuff fit from Nike, I like that better. We had custom Adidas cleats that were super cool in junior college. Had our numbers and stuff on them. We had 7 jersey tops, 5 pant bottoms, and 5 hats. We were dripped out, dude. It was sick. Shout out Fort Scott. Man, these are super cool. This almost looks like the Marine Corps logo or like the Army logo, like when I see that. But super cool, just classic black. This is the Aero Ready pants and very lightweight. Down here at the bottom, it does have that Adidas logo. And if you can see, it kind of goes black, gray, black. So super sick tracksuits. The quality on these are amazing. Listen to that zipper. Absolutely flawless. I do not see a single thread hanging off. These clothes are well manicured. They got to me pretty quick too. I want to say I got them in less than 2 weeks. So if you're after some of this stuff for an affordable price and you want the really, really good quality, Mind Jerseys is where to go. You just saw it here firsthand. Like I said, if I have a little bit of time in this video, I will have already thrown up like the on body shots and stuff like that just to see how they're fitting. Don't be afraid to message them and really narrow down your size. Make sure you get the right size, because that's what they're there for. They want to help you out, and they want you to return, and they want you to share their company with your friends and stuff like that. So yeah, pretty cool video. Jeff Robe first, checking out these top and bottom soccer jerseys, absolutely sick. And of course this Real Madrid top, really like the collar on there, and then the Real Madrid on the back. I think that looks really good. Yeah, super sick. But yeah, I'm Jeff Robe. Thanks for tuning in today, and I'll see you guys next time when I got some more stuff for you.